If you have problems with cigarette lighter or 12-volt front socket on Mazda CX-5, 2013 to 2017, you'll need to replace the fuse from the fuse panel. 1. Remove the fuse box cover inside the car. It is located to the left of the pedals. 2. Identify the fuse for the cigarette lighter or the front 12-volt socket looking on the fuse cover. The fuse for the front 12-volt socket is the first one from the top on the second row and has 15 ampere. Three. Pull the lever from the inside to open the hood. Four. Remove the fuse box cover in the engine compartment and see that you have spare fuses and fuse puller on it. 'Find the link below in the video description where you can get the mini fuse set from Mazda CX-5. Five. Replace the 15 ampere fuse assigned to the front 12-volt socket. You can see that the fuse has that circuit interrupted, so you will be convinced that it is blown. Six. Don't forget to reinstall the covers of the two fuse boxes and close the hood. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.